Turkey, the magical crossroads of Europe and Asia, is a country where ancient civilizations and modern lifestyles coexist in perfect harmony. With its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, tantalizing cuisine, and welcoming people, Turkey offers travelers a diverse and enchanting experience. Whether you're wandering through ancient ruins, floating above fairy chimneys in a hot air balloon, or savoring the world's most flavorful dishes, Turkey captivates every visitor with its charm. Here's why you should make Turkey your next vacation destination. Turkey's natural beauty is nothing short of extraordinary. The landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Start your mornings in Cappadocia, where you can watch hundreds of hot air balloons rise against a backdrop of unique rock formations and hidden caves. Unwind in the shimmering white travertine terraces of Pamukkale, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known as the Cotton Castle, and soak in its warm, healing waters. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Turquoise coast, home to picturesque beaches like Ludeniz and historic sunken cities. If you're seeking adventure, trek the majestic Mount Ararat, the legendary resting place of Noah's Ark, or explore the lush greenery of the Black Sea region, famous for its tea plantations and serene mountain villages. Turkey is a haven for food lovers, offering dishes that blend flavors from the Middle East, Mediterranean, and Central Asia. Here are some must-try Turkish dishes that will make your taste buds sing. Kebabs. From the smoky, flavorful Adana kebab to the juicy Iskender kebab served with yogurt and tomato sauce, Turkish kebabs are a meat lover's dream. Pide. Often called Turkish pizza, Pide is a boat-shaped flatbread topped with cheese, meats, and vegetables. Lahmacun. A thin, crispy flatbread topped with minced meat, vegetables, and spices, a street food favorite. Manti. Tiny dumplings filled with spiced meat, served with yogurt and a drizzle of melted butter and paprika. Baklava. A sweet pastry layered with nuts and drenched in syrup, it's the ultimate dessert indulgence. Lokum. Known as Turkish delight, these chewy, sugar-dusted sweets come in a variety of flavors, from rose to pistachio. Menemen. A hearty breakfast dish of scrambled eggs cooked with tomatoes, peppers, and spices, often enjoyed with fresh bread. Turkish tea and coffee. Sip these iconic beverages in traditional settings to complete your culinary journey. Food in Turkey isn't just about eating, it's about experiencing the culture, warmth, and love that go into every dish. Turkey is not just a destination, it's an experience that will ignite your senses, spark your curiosity, and leave you with memories to cherish forever. From its timeless history and jaw-dropping landscapes to its culinary delights and heartfelt hospitality, Turkey offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking to relax on pristine beaches, delve into ancient ruins, or immerse yourself in vibrant city life, Turkey promises an adventure like no other.